What's going on, guys? So today I'll show you how to install an ad blocker on Firefox. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top right here and click the three bars, open menu. So you're going to click here and then you're going to go down to add-ons. So click add-ons and now it'll bring you to this new page. It'll show you some recommended extensions. If you currently have some, it'll show you them up here, but what you want to do in this case is type in AdBlock Plus. Now it's going to open this new tab and it's going to show you some search results. I recommend AdBlock Plus over all the other ad blockers simply because I've used it for years and it does it does everything that I need it to. It blocks YouTube ads, Facebook ads, ads from sites, it blocks pop-ups, Twitch ads, everything. It literally blocks everything. So like if it does the job perfectly, why would I use another one, right? I'm sure some of these other ones are fine, but like this is the one I recommend. So anyways, you're gonna want to click AdBlock Plus and then click Add to Firefox. You're gonna get this pop up here. These are all fine. Click Add. And also I want this to run in private windows, which is like incognito mode for Firefox. So of course I don't want ads at all, so I'm going to click this as well and click OK, got it. And boom, in the top right corner now I have AdBlock Plus and it's running. Blocks ads on this site. You can disable AdBlock Plus for certain pages, like if you don't want it to run on this page right here, you just drag this guy to off and then refresh the page. And it'll show as grayed out because it won't be enabled on this page. But yeah, hopefully you guys found this quick little video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.